Welcome back to Tom Hacks channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a Google Sheet view only. It is so easy and so simple, you can just set it on your iPhone. First, you need to open the app from your phone and choose the file that you want to make view only. Here, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, you can click here, the three dots on the side of the title, and then click Manage Access here. From this point, you can manage the general access. You can click here. Okay, you can set the first condition. Here I choose anyone with the link. Choose anyone with the link. So if I want to share the file, I will just have to send them the link. And then you go back and then click here. The second condition is I want this file to be view only, so I'm just going to click on viewer. Okay, so anyone that have the link will only able to view this file. They are unable to edit or comment on your file. Okay, just click here and then that's all. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and let me know your thoughts in the comment. Thank you.